Good afternoon, Mr. Ron. This is my algebra final project. So, for part A, I chose question number 1, and the problem is x plus 8 times x minus 5, and I'm going to solve that right now. So first, I chose to do it as like a distributive property, kind of, so this will multiply to the x and to the negative 5, so that'll look like x plus 8 times x, because it goes to right here, and then plus x plus 8 times negative 5. And then I just use a distributive property for these ones. Let me switch colors here. So the x goes to the x, and then the 8 to the x. And x times x is x squared, so x squared, and then 8 times x is 8x. And then moving over to this side, we're doing the same thing. X times negative 5 is negative 5x, so 8x minus 5x. And then 8 times negative 5 is negative 40, so minus 40. And then once we get to this point, we're not done yet, so let me switch colors here again. These two can be combined into like terms, so it'll be x squared, and 8x minus 5x is 3x, so x squared plus 3x, and then minus 40. And that is the final answer for that problem. Now, moving on to part B, I chose question number 2. So that is factoring out the binomials of x squared minus 30x plus 81. So, wait, one second here. Okay. So, to start, I thought of negative 30 and 81. So I thought, which two numbers would add to negative 30 but multiply to 81? And I was thinking, like negative 29 and negative 1. And I was like, no, and negative 28 and negative 2. And I was like, no, but then negative 27 and negative 3 add. One sec here. Let me get color. So I was thinking negative 27 minus 3 equals negative 30. And also, negative 27 times negative 3 equals 81. And that's going to help me a lot later on in the problem here. So, starting out, the x is squared, so I know that the problem is going to look something like this. So there's going to be an x on this side, and also an x on this side, because multiplied together, it'll square it. So, and then I just go back to over here, so negative 27 and negative 3, so those are going to be my other numbers in this problem. So, x minus 27, and then x minus 3. And that's going to be the answer right there. But to check it first, I'm going to do it sort of like how I did the first problem. X minus 27 times x plus x minus 27 times negative 3. We're just distributing it out. So that would equal x times x is x squared minus 27x. And then on this side, minus 3x, because the x times negative 3, and then negative 27 times negative 3 is positive 81. And then, if you combine like terms here, negative 27 and negative 3 right here, the final answer will, or to check it, it'll be x squared minus 30x plus 81. And as you can see, that'll match the original problem here. So that means that this right here is the final answer. X minus 27 times x minus 3 is the factors of that problem.